Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to this ROM review. It's SlimKat, Android version 4.4. And yeah, some guy of a news magazine hit me up on Facebook and he asked if I could review this ROM. And yeah, I said, yeah, I will try it. And yeah, looks great. I looked it up on XDA in the thread. And I now will show you quickly how to install it. Many guys ask me how do I install 4.4 KitKat ROM. It's basically like all Jelly Bean ROMs. It's very easy, so just very quickly go ahead and open a new ROM slot. It can be ROM slot 1 or 2. Sorry for my dirty fingernails, it's gross. But yeah, my job. These two ROM slots here. You can choose ROM slot 2, then create a new ROM slot, set your system partition, data partition and cache partition. And then you can also set a nickname, which is good because you have everything organized and stuff. So let's write Slim. The keyboard can be a bit laggy in the recovery. This is SafeTrap 3.63. You have to have the latest version, which is this version I'm using right now. You can download it in some of my other videos. I think it's on my channel. I have to look it up, but I'm sure. If it's not on my channel, I will post the link in the description. So if you don't find the link there, this video is already recorded and uploaded. So boot options, we have created a new ROM slot. Then press install and then choose your zip files you want to install and then hit install. Great. Yeah, just quick info for you guys and let's go ahead and flash the ROM. Guys, just another quick thing before we start right into the ROM review. Wipe cache and Dalvik. You can do it after flashing your ROM, but you don't have to. Some guys you have to wipe everything like cache and Dalvik, and some say you even have to wipe data once more. But when you are on the clean ROM slot, have created it like 10 minutes ago and then flash your ROM, you don't have to wipe anything, just reboot. And yeah, I'll see you in 2 seconds. Hey everyone, we're up. And for me it took now 4 minutes to boot. So don't worry if you might think you end up in a boot loop or so. It won't be the case if you follow my instructions from the beginning of the video. So yeah, don't worry. It will take a little bit longer, like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, or even 5 minutes can be the case. So yeah, I was very afraid that I have a boot loop, but now everything works. So we'll jump right through the setup and we will begin with the ROM. So if you have completed your setup, you will be asked which launcher you want to use. You have Nova Launcher, Launcher 3 and Google Nova Launcher, not Google Nova Launcher. Nova Launcher, you always know it, guys. Some guys of you have this launcher installed. And Launcher 3 is basically an trebuchet edition of the original Google Now launcher. You can set up your pages and your default page and stuff. So let's go with Google Now launcher, the original one. I will show you now what it looks like if you boot it first time. Very nice wallpaper. I like the minimalistic look of this ROM, and also it's very responsive. I found that in the beginning when I set up the my data. Yeah, very responsive keyboard. You will get to know it if you boot the phone yourself. But yeah, on camera it's a little bit difficult to show that responsiveness. Let's dim my screen here a little bit. So now we can see through the apps, which are not very special. I flashed all G apps, yeah, just because I like to have them all, like Torch and YouTube. I don't have to reinstall them. Simple Explorer is an app which comes with the ROM. Yeah, this is the special thing here, the app. It's a great Explorer. It's very minimalistic, and it's almost like the CyanogenMod launcher. I have to look it up. Not launcher, but Explorer. I don't know the name, but it's a little bit like Solid Explorer, and yeah, Explorer is Explorer for me. So yeah, that's very great to have. And yeah, no special app here. Let's go to settings. Let's jump right into it. No, not those settings. The other ones. Settings, please give me settings. Yeah. Yeah, great. So yeah, you have, of course, the black and white theme throughout the ROM, like in every KitKat ROM. So you can always change to the real dark slim. I think it gets blue and black, but let's check it out. Okay, it's on. Let's check out this one too. Oh yeah, great. Let's turn it off. So yeah, you can see basically the holo theme. So yeah, in original AOSP theme, this part is always darker than this part. Like in settings, for example, the background changes. So when you tap it on, everything gets dark and it's a solid black color in the background. So let's go to interface, battery icon, which is my favorite. I always like to customize my battery icon. It's the most important part in the ROM and on the world. Great thing. Dotted circle is one of my favorites. And also show you always my next top favorite is circle with percentage. I like circle widgets in my, circle icons in my status bar. And yeah, percentage and icon with percentage, you know that, but it's not that great to see. You can always change also the color, notification, and QS draw. I don't know what that means, maybe quick settings, but notification transparency, you can bump it up to 100%. Let's go 80. Of course it doesn't work. You have to reboot your phone for that, unfortunately. Background style, let's check this one out. That's very interesting. Great. You can put a custom image in here and it will show you your image in the notification background. Great. So yeah, these you can check it out now in the video. Here I don't want to go too deep into it because this video will get too long. So very great notification customization here. You can always change them, and the size you can also change. Status bar, clock and date enabled. You can also disable it. It should refresh. It doesn't. Yes, it does. The clock is now gone. You can hide it if you don't want to show it. Also, clock alignment. I like to have my center clock. That's very good, very great. Small font size. You can add the weekday, day of the week, date style, uppercase and also lowercase, which looks very classy, I think. I like to keep it that way. And date format, you can also change it to a long format like this one. That looks great, huh? This long thing there, but when you get a lot of notification, that looks kind of messy. Brightness control. Also a great feature. I think it first was present in the AOKP ROM in Ice Cream Sandwich, but I don't know it exactly. You can change the brightness here by sliding your finger on the top of your notification bar. Navigation, global menu, hardware buttons, navigation bar. You can also check that, enable it. You can have your on-screen navigation bar, but that is nonsense in my opinion. You can also change colors and stuff. Hardware buttons, you can customize them, which is very great. Enable custom actions, then go to search key, normal press, search an app, but you can also put a custom app in here, like anything, like Google Now or anything else. SlimPie. It should give me that pie control, yeah, on the left or on the right. Yeah, it doesn't work on the right, I don't know why. I guess I have to customize it here in trigger actions. Also right works now. Great thing to have. Shows you your service, your date, percentage battery, the wireless you're in, clock of course, and you can customize these. Great thing to have, I like it. SlimPie, Slim Center, I think it's for bug report, and okay, you have to have super user, which you have of course, it's a rooted ROM, Slim Motor, download SlimKat, you can Slim Sizer. Okay, you have to mess with it. You can always press information and get nothing. I think I can get help for that thing here. You can uninstall any app here, but you can but you can also do that with Titanium Backup, which I use. But yeah, you can always check out Slim Center for cool stuff, like uninstall stock apps. Sorry guys, this video gets really long, but we forgot the most important part of the ROM review, which is wallpapers. Let's check out wallpapers. This is a white version of the Slim wallpaper. Check out wallpapers. So you will get the stock ones, the stock 4.4 KitKat backgrounds, and this one and the white one. And I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. That would be great. Yeah, maybe you also want to share it, but you don't have to. I will see you in the next one. And flash this ROM, very great. You can see it from the video. Very responsive and very fast. Great ROM with great customization. So yeah, another great KitKat ROM. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye. And outtakes. Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to this ROM review. It's SlimKat, Android version 4.4 of course. And yeah, some guy on Facebook hit me up. He does things. Yeah, things. Oh great, flash is on. Yeah, nice. I have to have this for this year review.